How to use ChatGPT on mobile. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, head over to any web browser. In the search bar, search for chat.openai.com. It will land you on this page. If you already have your ChatGPT account, tap on login. Enter your email address and your password. If you have created your account from your Google account, tap on continue with Google. Select the Google account associated with your ChatGPT account. You have been logged into your ChatGPT account. This site is very simple to use, so all you have to do is tap on this section. Here you can ask whatever question that you want to ChatGPT and it will give an accurate response to it. So let me ask something to ChatGPT. You need to enter the question here and then tap on this arrow. It will start to generate the answer for you. It might take a while for it to complete. So there you go, it has generated an accurate response to your question. Likewise, you can ask whatever question from any field to ChatGPT and it will generate an accurate content for you. So simply this is the way on how to use ChatGPT on mobile. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.